sometimes the easiest way for us to help people is to actually remote access their laptop. So that means that from where I'm sitting, I can control your laptop. But to do that, there needs to be some software installed. And we're using Chrome Remote Desktop. So I will send you a link to where you can download the extension for Chrome. So you need to use the Chrome browser or a Chromebook to get it. And then there's some other software that'll follow that. Now, I can't access your computer whenever I feel like it. You need to give me a code before I can actually access your computer. And we'll do that when we set up our support call. So let's have a look at how we install Chrome Remote Desktop and start a support session. Okay, so to install the Remote Desktop application or extension, you'll need to either click on the link that I've sent you or go to chrome.google.com/web store. And then in the web store, you're going to type in Chrome Remote Desktop. Now, you don't need to do this step if you're following the link that I sent you. So you're going to add that to Chrome and add the extension. All right, so you get that little window, and then it'll add it up here in your toolbar. Then, to start a session, to allow me to control, or someone from the tech department to control your Chromebook, you're going to click on that. Now, there's a one-time step that you'll need to do, and I'll show you that in a moment. You're going to go Remote Support, and you're going to Get Support. And so you'll click this button here. And this number here is what you'll give to me or whoever you're talking to from the tech department. Now, this box will pop up one time, the first time that you run this program. So you can go ahead and install that. That will make things a little bit easier. There we go. So that number there, so you can also copy that and send that via a Hangouts message or via an email, but we've only got 5 minutes in which to do that. Once you send me that code, I can then log in, and I'll do that right now on this demo. All right, so on my computer, I'm going to install the code, and then in a moment, you'll get a little box pop up asking for permission. There we go. So would you like, and then so you just to check that this email address looks like the same as the person who's going to help you, and you go share. You can go ahead and close that little box. And now I have control of your machine, and I can help you out, and I can see what you can see. All right. See how we go with that. Thanks.